స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా వైశ్య తెలంగాణ ఆధ్వర్యంలో హైదరాబాద్ నెక్లెస్ రోడ్లో తిరంగా ర్యాలీ నిర్వహించారు. 78వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని పురస్కరించుకుని 78 మీటర్ల భారీ జాతీయ జెండాను చేతపట్టుకుని సంజీవయ్య పార్క్ నుంచి పీపుల్స్ ప్లాజా వరకు ప్రదర్శన నిర్వహించారు. భారత్ మాతాకు జై అంటూ పెద్ద ఎత్తున నినాదాలు చేస్తూ ర్యాలీ కొనసాగించి దేశభక్తిని చాటారు. తమ సంస్థ దేశవ్యాప్తంగా విస్తరించి ఉందని, ఈ రోజు వివిధ రాష్ట్రాల్లో కూడా ఈ తిరంగ ర్యాలీ చేపట్టినట్లు నిర్వాహకులు తెలిపారు.
హ్యాపీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే. ఐఎమ్ డాక్టర్ కళ్యాణి ఫ్రమ్ తెలంగాణ past state president. I would like to add a few points to State President of Telangana. Like the incident is going on in whatever the incident happened in Calcutta, we are adding to that. I am Dr. Kalyani from the doctors group. I want to say the government that we need the safety for the doctors in the hospitals, and the security being should be provided in the hospitals. I just want to make a note of this point, very important, as this is Freedom Day, Independence Day to India. So please, whatever the quote we are quoting from the doctors, please ensure that it should reach to the higher authority. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. First of all, happy 78th Independence Day. Nenu Sudhanva Maripalli, State President of Vaishya Telangana, and I am here along with the core members Ramakant, Venkat Ravi, and elect State President Pradeep, and we also have President Venu Gannu and Divya for Vasishta and Gaundinya. So today we have hosted a flag, and we have done a march with a 78 meters flag where to witness our Independence Day, 78th Independence Day. So Vaishya is a very large organization where it has been expanded to around South India, around 16 houses. It's purely a business group, it's a community business group. So we have around 2,000 members, and it is spread around South India. And in Hyderabad we have two houses. One is Vasishta, which is 6.5-7 years old, and another is Kaundinya with 4 years old. So thank you everyone for coming here and supporting us, and making this rally a great huge success. And this rally is a global event, and we have been conducted the same rally around entire the South India state with all the houses wherever we have the houses, like Hyderabad, here we have done it, and Vijayawada, Vizag, Guntur, Vijayawada, Coimbatore, Bangalore. So wherever we have our houses, we have all celebrated the 78th Independence in the same way. And I thank all our members and the media people and the police people who supported us for this peace rally which has happened today. Thank you very much.